Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the true cost of owning the world's most expensive car. A machine that is not just transportation, but a statement of power, prestige, and extreme luxury. This car turns heads everywhere it goes, but behind the beauty and exclusivity lies a financial reality that very few people ever talk about. At first glance, the purchase price alone is enough to shock anyone. We are talking about a car that costs tens of millions of dollars, depending on customization. Each unit is built almost entirely by hand with rare materials, custom paint finishes, and interiors tailored exactly to the owner's taste. Even before the car is delivered, owners often spend additional millions just on personalization, making sure no other car in the world looks or feels the same. Once the car is in your garage, the real costs begin. Insurance for the world's most expensive car is on a completely different level. Standard insurance companies often refuse to cover it, so owners must work with specialized insurers. Annual insurance premiums alone can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, and that is assuming the car is kept in a secure, climate-controlled environment with professional security. Maintenance is another silent money drain. This car cannot be serviced at a normal workshop. Every oil change, inspection, or software update must be handled by factory-trained technicians, sometimes flown in directly from the manufacturer. Even basic maintenance can cost more than a brand new luxury car, and major services can reach into the hundreds of thousands of dollars without blinking. Then there is the cost of parts. Because this car is produced in extremely limited numbers, replacement parts are rare and incredibly expensive. A small accident or even minor cosmetic damage can turn into a repair bill worth millions. Some parts take months to manufacture, meaning the car could sit unused for a long time while costs continue to pile up. Storage is another expense people rarely consider. Owners cannot simply park this car anywhere. It requires a secure, temperature-controlled garage with advanced humidity control to protect the paint, leather, and electronic systems. Many owners build custom garages or store the car in private luxury facilities, which can cost tens of thousands of dollars every year. Driving the car is also not cheap. Fuel consumption is extremely high, and the engine demands the highest quality fuel available. On top of that, tires are specially designed for this car and wear out quickly. A full set of tires can cost as much as a family house in some countries, and they may need to be replaced more often than you expect. Transportation is another hidden cost. Owners often do not drive this car long distances. Instead, it is transported in enclosed, climate-controlled carriers whenever it needs to travel between cities or countries. Each trip can cost tens of thousands of dollars, especially when crossing borders and dealing with customs and security. Depreciation is a surprising factor. While some of the world's most expensive cars increase in value, others can lose millions if market trends change or if the car is driven too much. Keeping the mileage low becomes a financial strategy, which ironically means owning the car but barely enjoying it. There is also the cost of attention. This car attracts crowds, cameras, and constant media interest. Owners often hire security teams when driving or displaying the car at events. Privacy becomes a luxury of its own, and maintaining it comes at a high price. In the end, the true cost of owning the world's most expensive car is not just measured in money. It is measured in responsibility, maintenance, planning, and constant expense. This car is not designed for convenience or practicality. It exists to show what is possible when money has no limits. So while the world's most expensive car may look like a dream on four wheels, the reality is that owning it is a lifestyle reserved for a very small circle of people. For them, the cost is part of the experience, and the price of exclusivity is something they are more than willing to pay.